This animation is 3D. So is this one and this one. For years, 3D has been limited to realism, stylized art, or low poly. However, that is about to change. 3D is becoming 2D. But why is this happening? How do we do this? Well, for 5 years, I have been researching, sacrificing my time with women to find the perfect toon shader. I have never been satisfied with a regular toon shader. It did its job, but just like the Geneva Convention, it was restricting. So I embarked on a journey to find the perfect toon shader to satisfy my picky ass. Now, as a guy with overly high standards, it couldn't just be any simple toon shader. It needed something more. I needed something that will allow for colorful lights, something that will make the environment look fucking hot. Luckily, I have found the add-on. The add-on that solves all of my problems, other than alcoholism, but I don't think that's a problem. Introducing the Stylized Acid Sweet add-on by Krazia. Yeah, I can't really fucking say the name. This add-on can fix your sex life. Not only can it fix your sex life, it can add a better experience to your NPR workflow. But for real though, this add-on is extremely underrated. This add-on has all the NPR features you need right here in just one add-on. But for what cost? Well, there is a free version that has all the necessary features. But if you are like me and you gamble like there's no tomorrow, you should be fucking loaded to buy the full version of this add-on. Trust me, this is worth it. The amount of features this add-on actually has is perfect for anyone who wants to achieve an anime style, arcane style, or any other NPR style you can think of. But not only is this add-on good for shading characters, but environments too is fucking awesome, guys. Check this out. Check this other environment out. There is a feature that no other add-on nor NPR shader actually has. Bounce lighting. Yes, the only thing better than bounce lighting is bouncing balls, but that is a topic for another video. Imagine arcane style
pornography. Sweet land of America.
As you could see, my levels of humor has increased exponentially over the years. If you want to learn more about this add-on, Ryzar has an in-depth video about everything that this add-on has to offer. Now, you may ask yourself, why? Why not just learn how to do 2D animation? Well, let me tell you a heartbreaking tale, which doesn't really apply now, but I wrote this in the script, so just stay with me here. When I was just a baby boy, I wanted to do 2D animation. So I started with Flipperclip, animating, and after 3 months, completed only the sketchy, rough part of the animation. And then I got shot. Just kidding, I got severe burnout, but it seems like it's wearing off now. It seems like I'm recovering from that burnout, fuck yeah. But for whatever reason, I can't get burnout for redoing the 3D shit over and over and over again. My mind is fucking insane. I think I'm delusional sometimes. Who knows? Maybe I am just fucking crazy. I mean, with 3D, it is easier to have consistency. You get the best of two worlds. 3D, you could be consistent. You don't have to redraw everything. You have unique camera movements. You could easily change the camera's position for a whole new unique style for this 2D 3D look. The problem is, however, is uncanniness with the mixture of the 3D and the 2D animation. The thing is, you also have to animate this uniquely to 2D animation. So you're kind of combining 3D animation with the 2D animation look. Because if you don't, it will fucking look like you threw this shader onto a 3D model and called it a day. And it doesn't look 2D. It actually just looks 3D with 2D slapped on top of it. So whether this style of 3D animation could look absolutely fucking beautiful, it could also look like this. It has been rather interesting to see the rise in this 2D 3D style. But now we must ask one important question. Will this replace 2D? Fuck no, are you insane? Listen, those studios seem to be fucking abandoning 2D animation for whatever reason. I'm sure it will make a comeback someday. Listen, you always just have to trust in the process. But listen, there will always be 2D animated shows in the making. You may not work for a big company yet, yes, but listen, 2D is never going away. They're just gonna coexist with this 3D look. So don't worry. Stop being paranoid. Nothing exists. Everything is lie. Good luck. Hallucinating. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare.